This 2020 Winnebago Minnie 2701 RBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 32 feet 4 inches in length and features Sleep 6, DVD player, oven, slide-out, awning, refrigerator, skylight, microwave, leveling jacks, external shower, water heater, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Winnebago Minnie 2701 RBS is 6,160 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.